Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to make Parmesan crusted chicken with lemon aioli sauce. Take 2 large boneless chicken breasts, pat them dry, make sure they are completely dry. Flip it over and pat it dry. Trim off any fat. Slice the chicken in half from the middle to make 2 pieces. Do the same with the other chicken. Put a plastic wrap on top of the chicken. Pound the chicken to half an inch thick. Season the chicken with some salt and black pepper. Flip the chicken over and do the same. In a shallow bowl, add half a cup of all-purpose flour, 2 eggs. Whisk the eggs. In another shallow bowl, add 2/3 cup Panko breadcrumbs, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon Italian herbs of your choice. Add 1/3 cup grated Parmesan cheese. Give this a mix and set it aside. Dredge the chicken in the flour first. Give this a shake until a light coating of the flour remains. Dip it in the egg mixture. Let the excess egg drip off. Dredge the chicken in the panko mixture. Set it on a plate. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of canola oil, 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Cook 3 minutes on each side. Now to make the sauce, you need 3/4 cup of mayonnaise, 3 garlic cloves minced, 2½ tablespoons of lemon juice, 3/4 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon black pepper. Mix it up and your sauce is ready. If you liked this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching!